I'm Nidhi Mishra and I'm from Delhi. I did my schooling from Bosco Open School, Paschim Vihar. And about my professional qualification, I completed my BBA from Madurai University, affiliated to Chennai, and I am currently pursuing my MBA from Geeta Rattan International Business School, and this is affiliated to IP University, New Delhi.
Is this regular?
Yes, ma'am.
So you must be in your final semester.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So you've got the NOC from the college to work?
I'll get the NOC from 20th of this month.
Okay. Why did you choose HR as a career? The subjects?
I chose HR because I thought that this is the subject wherein I can, enhance my skills. Because HR is what herein you get to know people, you interact with people, you identify how the people are being evaluated. So that was something of my interest area. So and also I had a keen interest in HR, so definitely I went for this course.
Have you done an internship as well?
Yes. In my graduation, I did an internship at Alpha G Corp, which I have not mentioned here, and that was the customer care executive.
In your MBA?
Yes, MBA I have done in EPI, that is a government recognized company and which deals in construction, and the profile in this company was management training. I basically assisted the HR manager of the company, wherein my job responsibility was to maintain the daily records, and
So you said you used to assist the
HR manager.
So but that profile is not the management training. You must
Actually,
be an intern.
yeah.
You might be working as an intern, but then that was not the management training. Is altogether different concept.
Like this was something that I got it from my college, and what the job responsibility was.
What about the campus placements in your college?
There's no actually the market is going down, so definitely and the HR companies are
there's
very few, and yes, so
coming with the placement. Consultancy is not in HR exposure.
Yes.
Alright. So are you are keenly interested in learning the HR, working in the HR? Alright. Are you, as I told you, you were not aware about the profile. I guess I think misinterpreted it or what?
Actually, I'm simultaneously applying for whatever mail I'm getting, and I'm just applying for each and every interview.
So have you applied for the interview before?
Not yet.
For the HR? Why is it?
No, actually my college was going on, and probably till 20th we have our college. So now I got the time to post my resume on the portals and look out for jobs.
And see, I'll explain the profile. This is an HR training profile where you will be undergoing the complete training process of the HR, and plus you'll be given the responsibilities by yourself, since you'll be working with the company but as a trainee. You take it as an on-the-job training. You will be handling the responsibilities which you will be trained for. So it is that concept. Alright, and once you're through with the 6 months of the traineeship program, you will be absorbed in the company with the package which will be decided on your performance. Alright, and this is not just the HR training, but this is HR marketing work. You will be undergoing the training process for both the departments, HR and marketing. So since you have the 9 years of marketing, that would be beneficial for you also, because if you see the longer visions, both of them are somehow interrelated, and some are, if you see other perspective, so you will get to know how they are interrelated and how they are not, what to do in both of the departments. So it is okay for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So you are clear with the profile.
Yes.
It's training profile for 6 months, and after that, when you will observe, the performance will be your performance in these 6 months will be judging your package ahead.
So is there any kind of like I'll be getting any stipend? Or
Yes,
something?
you'll be getting the stipend of 4,000 rupees or okay.
Okay. Okay.
Alright. Okay, so Nidhi, where do you put up?
Question mark.
Oh, it's nearby. It's very near to your house. I also put up in
There.
It is in BT5. My school was St. Mark's. I did my schooling from St. Mark's.
Okay.
So, one last question I want to ask you. What are the goals of yours in life?
My short-term goal is to clear my MBA program with a very good percentage, and my long-term objective is to be into an organization where my skills, potentials are being recognized. Basically, I want to get into an HR department wherein whatever I have learned, whatever I have been trained in college. So I want to put that knowledge into whatever I am doing, so that the organization is also benefit, and my personal
That is okay. That is you're saying that you want to do it, but there might be a stage or a focus area that you want to, the focus thing that you need to achieve something in certain period of time. Then asking for that goal.
I want to become an HR manager in a very reputed firm, Indian firm.
And what about the time span?
For the time span, I want to get engrossed myself into the learning stage, wherein, because that is also important. Until unless I learn the basic aspects of HR, I cannot get into the level where I dream of. So,
Okay, I've got the point. And who all are there in the family with you?
my father and my younger brother.
Okay, what does your father do?
My father is working with a private NGO, Delhi Council for Child Welfare, and this is basically dealing in the child adoption. And my younger brother is working with Infosys.
Infosys. Okay, like which position?
He's a management trainee. He just got placed into Mysore.
Oh, right. So the technical side, science and
Electrical.
Engineering. That's really good. Okay. You know anything about our company, Nidhi?
The basic idea I had, because that is something an IT firm which is providing solutions to various clients. Because I could not get much of the time to get into this.
Nidhi, see, our company is an animation company. As you can assume from the name also, Nano 3D or Amazon. Both of them are sister concern companies, and it comes from the same background. Or if we have to go for production houses, which are in this location, we have 4 offices. One is this one where the operations part and the recruitment part is taken care of. There, in the production houses, the designing part is done. The design of the production of a product is done there. Since it's a creative field, so the access of people from outside is limited to that area. That is the reason the space is being kept for the people's interaction, the interviews you can say, or anything related to operations. So this is it. And we serve to the we are in this industry for passive engineers, and we cater to the real estate developers. If you go to our website, we have already worked with top of the top clients across India, or in 17 cities in India. We're already working, and like every company, we have our own goals, which we are fulfilling. Any case at any cost, we are running after. Otherwise, that goals. We want people who can really integrate their goals with the company's goals. You can wholeheartedly with such an individual. Our goal is in 3 cities in this area itself. We have already will be very soon will be there in Bangalore. Not just the clientage. Clientage we already have. The physical presence of of our company will be there in Bangalore and probably Mumbai and Jaipur very soon. So we'll be in 4 cities in this year itself, and we have a target of going into 100 cities around the globe in next 5 years. So we have immense opportunity right now in our company, and it is always good. People who join initially they have the bar, they are always at bar, and we don't put bars on the opportunity or the caliber of the person. There is immense opportunity. The more hard work you do, the best you get. Whatever you can draw by yourself according to your capability, you can draw that from the company. We have such environment. Okay. So anything else you want to ask me?
I wanted to know like the internship that you're talking about.
This is not internship.
Maybe
You'll be working with the company as a position, but the position will be for training. In internship, what do you get? Internship is just to look at the thing superficially. Alright, you are not doing it by yourself. Like if you will be doing internship, I'll be telling you, Nidhi, this is how it has to be done, but you won't be doing it by yourself. Here you will be getting the responsibility, you will be getting the training first, that how the procedure is, what is to be done, how is to be done, and then you will be given the responsibility of doing it by yourself. So this is the difference between a training and an internship.
Okay.
You will be working, you will be an employee of the company.
Okay.
Interns are never employees.
So what is the duration of this?
6 months.
6 months.
6 months. Okay, but 6 months after 6 months don't think that you cannot be absorbed in the company. You can definitely be, because see, we don't want to waste our time. We are not a training company, right? The basic agenda of this is that training you people according to what the procedures are, according to the corporate sector, according to the standards of the outside world, and then absorb it in the company. But then the only criteria is just the hard work. The more hard work you put in, of course, see, if you won't be working with, why will we hire you? But then we are not here to fire people. We are there to absorb people, right? So, but then efforts should be from your side. We will be putting in efforts to train the people, but then to grasp, to perform is in your hands. Alright. So that is all I can tell you, that you have an opportunity that you will be working with the company. This is not an internship, and the more you can make use of it, the more the people get profit. Okay. So you have understood the whole idea and the procedure. Already you're not the one that, in case you're shortlisted, in case you'll be joining, then there are many more people undergoing this in the same program. In sales, in HR and marketing, she is the one who she is also undergoing this in procedure. There are other people who will be joining, and in other segment like our designing part, we have been doing this for years. People are working here for past 7 years, 8 years, 10 years. People are that experienced in this company. Okay. But they had to go through the same procedure. They were hired as a trainer, and the same thing they're doing in other departments. Okay. Anidhi, I think this is more than enough for today. We'll leave for now. In case you're shortlisted for next one, yeah, before I leave, I would like to ask you so things. A stipend I've already told you, I guess it is 4,000 rupees. Okay, and maybe in case you're shortlisted, how soon can you join?
No, after 20th. Like 28th is the last day.
28th April.
Yes, ma'am.
Today is April 11th. Okay. And are you open to the bond?
Like you have certain bond?
I see, this is just the questions that I'm asking. Probably if you'll be absorbing the company, we would like to offer a bond, because since we have trained you, we have brought you up to the the industry level. So we want a certain surety, a commitment for a certain period of time you'll be working with the company, so that what we have given you, we are assured that you are given back. Yeah, that
No problem. I
will
can.
be reciprocated. That is just the main idea. That is nothing much is there.
Alright.
Nothing else. That's really good. Okay, Nidhi, I think this is more than enough.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.